So this is our 2008 Clubman S that we're working on. I'm working on Mini Cooper Service Center we're working on, and the customer stated that there's a lack of power, and there is definitely a lack of power. The car is misfiring shortly after startup on all 4 cylinders. Now, normally a quick diag would have been to tell the customer, hey, you need new spark plugs and coil, you got misfires all over the place. But my experience with misfires with BMWs, they usually start with 1 cylinder. 1 cylinder starts to misfire and causes a whole bunch of havoc with your performance. And then normally what you do is you just replace all 4 coils and spark plugs, right? You diagnose the misfire, you replace the spark plugs, and you got a happy BMW again, right? You got your power back. However, this is global. We have misfires across all 4 cylinders, and that's a rare event to have all 4 coils go bad at the same time, or to have all 4 spark plugs go bad at the same time. So this is mostly a global event that's affecting the engine, and it's probably not the spark plugs or the coils. So, thank God, I didn't go for the quick diag and tell the customer that, hey, these are the parts you need, and then having to come back and say, well, that wasn't really the problem. I try not to do that. So, we're continuing on. Compression is good across all 4 cylinders. Compression is 145, approximately 145 across all cylinders. The vacuum, teeing up off of the vacuum pump is about 28 inches of mercury. The Avenue put a temperature sensor is responding okay. The air filter, it's clogged but not too clogged. I do see a little oil in the cylinders, and the spark plugs were a little bit coated with soot, but I cleaned those spark plugs off. Now we're just we're continuing our search, and I'm hoping by soon I can go on a test drive and verify that the problem is fixed. The high pressure fuel pump, I'm looking at the set point and the actual values, and the actual value is very much mirroring what the set point is. So it doesn't seem to be a high pressure fuel pump, but we're going to continue. Now this is teed off of the low pressure fuel pump, so that's where this pressure is coming from. But hopefully soon I can get a accurate diag for this 2008 Clubman S, and we can move on to the next car. So if you're having Mini Cooper problems and you're in the Tampa Bay area, give me a call. If you look in my previous videos, this guy did find a tow truck company that knew they offer really, really good competitive low rates. So if you need a tow, or you're scared of driving your car, give them a call, and they can get the car over to here with little money out your pocket. But that's where we're at with this Clubman, and hopefully we'll have a diag soon with that.